All cool garages start from the ground up, and that begins with RaceDeck Garage flooring. Nearly 20 years ago, I created RaceDeck, a durable, cost-effective, and truly do-it-yourself garage floor system. Transform that ugly garage floor in just hours, not days. RaceDeck's multi-patent design allows for easy installation without all the hassles and mess of toxic epoxy coatings. Durable and easy to clean, standing up to the harshest of garage environments. Our patented PowerLocks system not only makes installation a snap, but it keeps your floor locked in. RaceDeck is engineered tough, handling vehicle rolling loads in excess of 80,000 pounds. Proudly made in USA, in our ISO quality certified facility, guaranteeing you the best garage flooring system you can buy. If you want the coolest garage on the block, contact us today at RaceDeck.